Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot CRM for real estate. We'll dive into organizing your client data, automating your outreach, and streamlining your sales process. HubSpot helps you keep all your property listings and client interactions in one place, saving you valuable time. You can set up automated email sequences for new leads, ensuring no opportunity is missed. This system is designed to boost your productivity and enhance client relationships, making your real estate business more efficient and profitable. Effectively managing your contacts and properties is crucial in real estate. With HubSpot, you can create comprehensive profiles for each client, including their preferences and past interactions. You can link specific property listings directly to client records, providing a complete overview. Custom fields allow you to track unique real estate data, such as desired square footage or budget range. This organized approach ensures you always have the right information at your fingertips, improving your client service and response times significantly. Automation is a game changer for real estate professionals. HubSpot allows you to set up powerful automated workflows for lead nurturing, sending personalized emails at key stages. You can schedule tasks and reminders for yourself and your team, ensuring no follow-up is ever forgotten. Build professional landing pages for your property listings or open house events directly within the CRM. By tracking email engagement, you gain insights into what resonates with your clients, helping you refine your marketing strategies for better results. Tracking your deals and understanding your performance is vital for growth. HubSpot's customizable deal pipeline lets you visualize every stage of your sales process, from new lead to closed deal. You can easily monitor the progress of each property transaction and identify potential bottlenecks. Generate insightful reports on your lead sources, conversion rates, and sales velocity. These analytics provide a clear picture of your business health, helping you make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies and achieve your sales targets more consistently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.